Keep these in the toaster oven. You'll need these to make the dough. You can do this either by hand or with a mixer depending on your workout goal. And when you're done putting everything together, let the dough rest for 40 minutes. Pro tip, this resting time is what makes a bread soft and fluffy. Known as bulk fermentation, the yeast ferments the sugar in the dough to produce carbon dioxide. These gases get trapped inside the gluten mesh structure that is formed when you knead the dough, causing pockets of air. When the dough has doubled in size, punch the dough to release all the trapped air. This improves the bread flavor because the yeast gets to feed again when the ingredients are recombined. Proceed to shape them into little balls and let it rise for another 15 minutes. Bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for 13 minutes and voila! Fresh mini French rolls.